Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable advanced privacy in WhatsApp so you can keep your conversations more secure and better protected. Now, if you want more control over what happens to your messages, advanced privacy is a feature in WhatsApp that adds extra protection to your chats. It helps prevent things like exporting conversations or using certain external tools with messages, which is especially useful for private or sensitive discussions. Now, to enable it, you want to start by opening WhatsApp, then go to the specific chat where you want the extra privacy. Once you're inside the conversation, you want to tap the contact name at the top of the screen. Then you have to scroll through the options until you find the advanced chat privacy setting. Now, when you tap on it, you'll see a toggle that allows you to turn the feature on. Simply enable it and the chat will immediately get the added privacy protection. After turning it on, certain actions related to that conversation become restricted, and this helps to make sure that the messages stay within the chat and aren't easily exported or used outside the conversation. That's it. Enabling advanced privacy in WhatsApp only takes a few seconds, but it can add an extra layer of protection to your messages. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.